Welcome back. It's our last lesson on circles. We've talked about all kinds of things with circles, like the tangents, the secants, the chords, things crossing through them, things intersecting on the outside of them. And today, we're actually going to talk about the circles themselves. And we're going to start by, defining a circle. You ready? Here we go. A circle is the locus of points in a plane equidistant from a given point. And the equation of a circle with the center of hk and the radius of r is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Let me show you how this works. We're going to write a couple of equations. The first one is one with the center at 2, -4 and a radius of 1. So we're just going to take that center and plop it into the equation. So we've got x minus the x value of the point, 2, square that, plus y minus the y value of the point, -4, and square that, equals the radius squared. So that turns into x minus 2 squared plus y plus 4 squared equals 1. And it would look like this. See the center down there at 2, -4, and the radius of 1. We'll do this one, center at -1, -4, and a radius of 2. So we've got x minus -1 squared plus y minus -4 squared equals the radius squared. So x plus 1 squared plus y plus 4 squared equals 4. And that one looks like this. Okay, what about the center at 2, -6 with a diameter of 8? Okay, well, if the diameter is 8, that means the radius is 4, and that's what we need. So we'll plug all this in like we did before, and we get y minus 2 squared plus y plus 6 squared equals 16. Looks like that. And then how about this one? The center at the origin and diameter 10. Well, again, if there's a diameter 10, that means the radius is half that at 5. And a center at the origin means the x and y values of that point are 0. So we've got x squared plus y squared equals 25. And there we go. Okay, let's try one a little bit harder. We're going to write the equation of a circle with the center at 3, -4 and passing through -1, -4. First thing we need to do is find the radius using, remember this, the distance formula between the center and the given point. So here's the distance formula. So we're going to take the difference of the x values squared plus the difference of the y values squared, square root that whole thing, and we get a radius of 4. And now we're back to what we were doing before. So we take the center, plug it into the equation, take the radius, plug it into the equation, and we've got an equation of x minus 3 squared plus y plus 4 squared equals 16. And there's our circle. Now, can we do it if we start with a picture? Oh, sure. We just have to say, okay, let's see, there's the center, it's at 1, 3, and I can count that the radius is 3. And now we're back to what we've been doing before. X minus 1 squared plus x minus 3 squared equals 9. Okay, let's try one more problem. We're going to find the intersection points of a circle and a line. So we've got the circle of x minus 1 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 5, and the line y equals -3x plus 1. Now you can do this algebraically, or you could graph it. So let me show you how to do this if we graph it. First thing we're going to do is plot each of those things, the circle and the line. So -1, 4 is that point right there, and 0, 1 is that point right there. So there we go. We wrap up our unit on circles with the equations of the circles themselves. Thanks for being here, and I hope you enjoyed this unit.